I think it looks great. You know, it's a badass truck. You know, it came out fantastic, and I think anybody would be proud to pull this onto a job site. Yeah, I mean the overall stance of the truck, it looks great. It looks nice and tough. I definitely like the light bars, the motorized light bar on top. That was a nice touch. I think the fact that you can store product in there is awesome. That would definitely help out on the trail. I would absolutely bring this on a job site. I'd give you the keys for my work truck right now.